Looks like I got myself stuck in the chicken house. It's pouring. There we go. Mr. Big Britches right there. I gave him some more worms just to get him in here out of the rain. Hey girls. These are my ladybugs. They like to sit in my lap, but they don't want me to touch them. I can pick them up to set them in my lap, then I have to turn them loose. They'll just sit there. Oh. He's trying to show everybody he's boss. He don't like this storm. Hey, settle down. I've never been trapped in the chicken house before.